What's up, Showsters? This is my updated 2024 bike check. I have a Max Sullivan frame, 2018, painted red, 22.5 millimeters long. We moved to the seat. I believe we have a...
Is that kink?
Kink? It's a kink seat.
Is it kink?
It's kink.
I don't fucking know.
I think it's a stock fucking kink seat. Yeah, that's a K, so that means kink. Along with the kink fucking Mark Henry bracket. What the fuck? So anyway, we got the rusted as fuck Hoder fucking bars. It looks sick as hell. Custom paint job. I spent 3 years in the making on these custom bars. You can't buy these anywhere. I know you're gonna want them. Too bad. These are the...
Are those Merit?
No.
Eclat.
Eclat. I don't know what that is. There's some grips. And, you know, they're... Okay, you know?
They cut the flanges off?
Yo, Troy, look. They're his old fucking grips. Wanna know how? Because
Whose?
they're worn in.
Yours?
Yours.
Oh,
Because
mine.
they're worn in. And they don't hurt like a monkey's ass. So... And I remember cutting the flanges off them because they're fucking gay. For sure.
Because when you're riding trails, you need the flanges.
That was a perfect camera shot.
Really?
Yeah. I've had this brake cable holder fucking Velcro thing on my fucking bike bars since I got the bike. Why? I don't know. That's a good question for 2019 CJ. This 2024
You
CJ.
have had that on there a long time.
Yeah, since I got my
You
bike.
transferred bars, too.
Yeah, I did.
Like, you transferred it from your old bars to these bars.
Yeah, for sure. Do I have an answer? Does 2024 me have an answer? No. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. So, moving on. Oh. Moving on, I have the G-Spot.
We're going down here.
I have the G-Spot chrome rim, which is starting to flake.
These fucking... Look at this diamond-plated chrome.
Again, everyone is going to want the signature.
Oops.
We got the... This gotta be Mission, bro. Mission stem.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Mission
Wait.
stem with the kink.
No, it's not Mission.
Odyssey. It's
No
Odyssey.
shot, it's Mission.
Where's that logo?
I don't know what that logo is. I forgot. You still have this fucking
I have
god
the
awful.
fucking top bolt. What's
Tops,
it called? Top stem bolt.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay.
I mean, I think these are stem bolts, but I don't fucking know.
Tags on from Dick's Sporting Goods for
Six.
$19.99,
1999.
folks. You can't get a better deal anywhere. If you're gonna get pegs, get them at Dick's.
That's right. If you're gonna get pegged, do it at Dick.
Now this rim, I'm pretty damn confident. It is my stock rim from 2019.
It is. This thing's
It
fucking
is a
old as
Mission
shit.
rim. I don't know any other details. So, did you just zoom in on my dick?
No.
2 Odyssey tires. Sure. We'll go. Hold on.
Grippage.
Hold on. I need to.
What? Oh.
I need to hydrate. I have some damn stock ass kink pedals, bro. Probably stock ass Mission cranks yep, Mission cranks. This is a BSD. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why did I start messing? Oh, I had a reason. This is a BSD fucking sprocket. Oh my god. Nice. Do I know any specs of it? No. It's been in my shed for about
Heavily
3 years.
used frame, by the way.
Heavily used frame.
Very heavily
This-
used.
so
Not
this
thrown.
is-
Not
so-
ever thrown into a shed.
Never thrown, ever.
And
It's taken care of with 100% respect.
oh
Always.
my god.
So, moving on. We have this stock ass chain that we actually me and Troy fixed years ago.
Look at that.
Years ago. What?
It's 2 different colors, which means there's more than one frame, more than one chain.
Today, Junior?
Yes. We fixed this bitch after it snapped in Aldi's parking lot.
The hump.
The hump is still there?
The hump is back. Where'd it go?
Oh,
There it
bitch,
is.
Move your phone.
I know, I see it. It's on the sprocket now. And right there.
Oh my lord, have mercy. Wish I could hump like that.
Wow. Is that it?
No. So we have a pepper sticker from
Right.
Market 32.
You can scan his bike.
Yep.
It's $5.99 per pound.
Yes, correct. Am I missing anything? I don't.
Did
Honestly,
you do the
don't
forks? I can tell you what the fuck
forks
they
are
dude.
kink. I thought I got new forks. Apparently not. I wanted to get the R25s or whatever, but I think they were sold out in chrome. I might have just made that up because it was 5 fucking years ago and a lot has happened since then. Let's go over stickers because that's what I did in the last one. Pause before the stickers. Got some paint chips from something, probably from throwing it in the shed.
It's never been thrown in the shed.
Got the K sticker, obviously. That's signature. 518 signature right there. Odyssey because I wanted, some name.
Odyssey is a very good brand. They've
And-
done me very well.
If you look on the front, I got the fat man right here, the husky man himself.
Husky
Representing my old self, got it.
Husky niche.
And if you flip, oh, I'm sorry, I almost just fucking threw your phone out of your hand.
Hey, fuck off, man.
Fuck off. That's all you gotta say. And Odyssey one more time.
Odyssey is a great,
I do,
is a great.
I do have one more thing.
Brand.
One more thing, okay?
Oh my god.
Tic Tacs here. Alright, folks.
Yo, your bar ends have made a home in your bar.
Oh my, I have a whole ecosystem in my bar end, yo. Alright, before this ends,
Dug it.
make sure to hydrate.
Hydrate. You gotta hydrate, kids.
It's a Monday night.
Baby, I'm